Hello there, I'm Juan from Johto's marketing team, and this is Sublimation 101. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the basics of sublimation, what it is, how it works, what kind of materials you need, and what equipment you should get to start printing today. Let's jump right in. What is sublimation anyway? Sublimation is a type of printing that uses heat to transfer ink into a material, usually polyester. But here's the cool part. The ink actually becomes part of the fabric or surface. That means there's no texture on top of the item. It won't crack, peel, or fade. The colors are super vibrant, and the result is really professional. But there's a catch. Sublimation only works on certain types of materials. So let's talk about that next. What can you sublimate on? To keep it simple, polyester is your best friend. If you're working with fabric, it needs to be at least 65% polyester, but 100% is even better. You can't sublimate directly on cotton. The ink just won't stick, it'll wash right out. And besides fabrics, you can also sublimate on hard products, as long as they have a polymer coating. That includes things like mugs, tumblers, mouse pads, puzzles, coasters, keychains, and a ton of gift items. You'll often see products labeled as sublimation blanks. That just means they're ready to be printed on. Here's what you need to start sublimating. Let's talk gear. To get started, you're going to need a few key things. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. First up, a sublimation printer. Most beginners go with the Sawgrass SG500. It's solid, compact, and easy to use. As your business grows, you might upgrade to the SG1000 or Epson F570, which let you print bigger designs. Next, sublimation inks. This is key. You can't use regular ink. Sublimation ink is made to turn into gas under high heat. It's what lets the design bond with polyester. Stick to trusted brands that work with your printer. Then you've got sublimation paper. This is special transfer paper that holds your printed design until you press it. It's typically available in various sizes and sold in packs of 100 sheets. You'll also need design software. It could be Canva, Photoshop, Affinity Designer, or Creative Studio if you're using Sawgrass. Doesn't have to be fancy, you just need to set up your artwork at the right size and resolution. Heat press. You need a flat heat press for things like shirts, mouse pads, coasters, and fabric panels. And if you're planning to make mugs, tumblers, or bottles, you'll need a mug press too. If you're going all in, some people invest in a combo heat press, which lets you swap attachments. Don't forget the safety stuff. Heat-resistant tape to hold your design in place while pressing. Heat-resistant gloves, because blanks get seriously hot. And Teflon sheets. This keeps your press clean and protects your transfers. And finally, the blanks. Make sure your shirts are at least 65% polyester. And hard goods like mugs or keychains, they need a polymer coating made for sublimation. If it doesn't say sublimation ready, skip it. Visit our Johto's website to see our full collection of sublimation ready blanks. That's it, you're all set to start printing. Let's talk about how the process actually goes, step by step. Step 1, design your artwork. You'll start by creating your design in the software of your choice. Canva, Photoshop, or even Creative Studio, whatever you're comfortable with. Just make sure to size it correctly for your blank, whether it's a t-shirt, a mug, or a tumbler. Important, always mirror your design before printing. Step 2, print it on sublimation paper. Load your sublimation paper into your printer and print the design using your sublimation inks. The print will look a little dull at first, that's normal. The colors will pop once you press it with heat. Step 3, prep your blank. Now it's time to get your blank ready, whether that's a t-shirt, mug, or something else. Make sure it's clean and dry. Then place your printed paper face down on the blank and tape it in place with heat-resistant tape. Step 4, press with heat. Now it's go time. Put your blank into the heat press and apply the right time, temperature, and pressure. Always check the blank's instructions. On Johto's website, you'll find heat, time, temperature, and pressure instructions. You can also download them to keep or print in your workshop. Plus, access to ready-to-use templates to print your blanks without errors or waste of ink. And seriously, wear your gloves. Sublimation blanks get extremely hot just like the heat press itself. Step 5. Remove and cool. Once the time is up, carefully open the press and peel off the paper while it's still warm, or let it cool a bit first depending on the material. You'll immediately see your design fully transferred, bright and permanent. No texture, no extra layers, it's literally part of the item now. Let the item cool down completely before packing it or using it. And that's it. That's sublimation from start to finish. The more you do it, the easier it gets, and the results are seriously impressive. From t-shirts and mugs to custom gifts and business branding, you can create almost anything once you've mastered the basics. If you want to learn more about printing, make sure to subscribe to Jodo's channel. See you in the next one.